Okay guys, I'm back with another video. So I just literally stabbed myself. I'm bleeding. It's crazy. So today's video is a mukbang, but the mukbang is, look at that, it's a veggie burger. I got this veggie burger from ShotRite. I can't remember the brand and I threw away the packaging, so I can't exactly tell you, but I have ground, what is it? Is it tofu? I don't know. What'd you call it? Like a version of ground beef in deep freezer. So when I pull that out, I'll let you guys know. So I seasoned it how I would season a beef burger. And I did everything how I would do a beef burger. So we're gonna bite into it and hopefully it's good. Let's see.
Yeah, I would, but then I clicked on top of it.
I'm gonna say, so here's the problem with veggie burgers to me, and I don't know if this is why vegetarians are vegetarians, other than the fact they like vegetables. They don't ever taste like nothing. So it tastes like what I season it with. So, because to me, beef has its own like juices and flavor in it. But it tastes like when I make a turkey burger. My turkey burgers taste like whatever I put on it. So it's not nasty at all. I didn't taste the pickle. I ain't biting into a pickle. These are some weird pickles I got from ShotRite. They like called spread and butter. They kind of sweet. I put them on there because I'm like, if it tastes nasty, at least the pickle's sweet. So, and I got a head of lettuce, and that's why it's so sloppy. So, do you see? That's what we working with. It's a mess, I know, but I like sloppy burgers. So we're gonna take another bite. Hold on, push everything down. Yeah. Okay. It tastes like what I seasoned it with. It don't taste bad.
It tastes like what, honey?
Like what I seasoned it with.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it tastes good.
All right, then now, see? So you have to season it right.
I'm gonna wipe stuff off your lid. In my previous video, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I don't know what order I'm gonna put it in. All I know is I'm posting, I think 4 videos today, 5 videos today. I don't know what order, but I'm gonna try to post them in the order that I took them. We had to wait in a line to get to ShotRite, to go in ShotRite. It wasn't long though. It just was windy. I was recording while we was in there. But then they had like a path that I guess we were supposed to walk that me and my boyfriend didn't know. So the lady in line was like, y'all going the wrong way. I looked at this Joe like, how could you go the wrong way in ShotRite? And she pointed down and it's like a path they went to walk through ShotRite, and I'm like, why do that make sense? But whatever. So, sorry, it's my cameras. So I was like, it was too much commotion, even with a little bit people in there. It was a lot of commotion. So I was like, you know what? I'll just talk to y'all later and turn the camera back on when we got to the register. But I just forgot, and then we had a lot of crap. And then I was supposed to record all the crap I bought. And by the time I got in the house, after I took them out of my car, I cleaned my car. By the time I got in the house, my grandmother put half of the stuff away. So I couldn't record anything. So, sorry. I have sweet yams. I think they call it sweet yams. And to toast the oven. They taking forever to cook. That's what I said. By the time I finish my burger, it's that. My light is on. Lock it. And like by the time I finish my burger, they'll be done. But they were supposed to, I put them in first. Oh, that pepper. I taste the pepper. I love pepper. Let me see if my son could grab it out. I don't want him to burn himself. Let's see if he can get it. Day!
Yeah.
Are you able to get my french fries out of the toaster oven without burning it yourself?
Huh?
Are you able to get my french fries out the toaster oven without burning yourself?
Maybe.
Could you use the oven mitt?
Huh?
Could you use the oven mitt to get it out?
I don't know where the oven is.
In the kitchen. Do you ever just look at your kid and be like, you your father's son? So yes, it's his father kid. I'm trying not to eat the whole burger without the french fries because I want to taste it together as a unit. I'm about to stop the camera from going off. Hold on. Sorry about the noise outside. They so noisy. What? Yeah. That's about it. Sorry. Next mukbang, I'm gonna have like a discussion. I just don't know what discussion yet. I might ask my sister, like, what, and my cousins, like, what should I talk about? Because I'm like really into like sex discussions, but I need somebody else to talk to me. Whoa, check you out. You's the man. Ooh, I'm a buff boy. Look at that. I like my french fries soggy, but I feel like these should not be soggy. Let me see. And I'm like, what seasoning do you put on these? Like, nothing? You're hot, hot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I had these one time, and my dumb butt put ketchup on it, and it was terrible because they did not taste good with ketchup at all. They're actually not bad. They just like, they taste like sweet potato pie. Why would you, like, I don't know why people would want to eat sweet potato pie like a burger. I see people, I thought people ate these like with burgers and hot dogs, but I'm like, this tastes like it's supposed to go with a steak or something, or macaroni and cheese, which is really weird, but it's just jams. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm eating this just because y'all in front of me, because I don't think I would eat this on purpose. I think I'm about to try to give them to my grandmother, cause. But I said when it tastes as a unit, so let's see. Sometimes people eat stuff just because there's something extra to chew on. I feel like that's what celery and crap is for. Let me see. I guess. Maybe if I had them when I first started eating the burger, I probably would finish them, but I don't think I want them. I'm gonna try though. It's hurting my teeth because the fries are really hot. But the mayonnaise and stuff on this isn't. Look. How that happen? I don't know. Day. Mansfield.
Yeah.
Say his whole name. Come here. Please, I love you. Get these to Grandma, tell her I don't want them. Oh, never mind. I forgot you was eating. Oh, but they gonna get cold, please. Take them to Grandma. I forgot you was eating. I do apologize, though. I forgot you was eating. I just seen your mouth moving.
Where's him?
In her room. Tell her I don't want them and I don't want them in the garbage.
I just want to finish eating. That's all I want to do.
Sorry. Love you.
Boom!
Yeah, I don't like those. The next time I eat this, I think I'm gonna get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out, get it out. Make tacos. Because I have the ground beef I still got 3 more patties left, but I have the ground beef version of this. So I think the crazy part is they cost so, I mean, it's not crazy because vegan food is more expensive, but it's like, actually I want to say nah, yeah, it was bad. I'm about to sit there and lie like the price was not bad. The price was bad. Like the price was bad, but because it's like the ground turkey, I mean the veggie stuff. Like I could have bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 little things of beef. Like it's crazy, and it's small. It's not even big. It's actually really small. But I feel like they should make bigger portions for the vegetarians. That's their lifestyle. But it's all about the money, honey. It's actually really good. I'm gonna have to do this meat. So to me, like I'm gonna just say tofu. Tofu is like the substitute for beef, and like ground beef, ground turkey, and stuff. But what is the substitute for chicken? Like this is a burger. The other one's ground beef. But I can switch up between ground chicken, ground turkey. What is like turkey wings for them? I know my cousin said she eat buffalo cauliflower, but I don't think I could flush with that. I think that's like really different. Really different. But this is really good. I'm gonna stick to, I want to say they brand, but every time I try to say they like think of it, I'm just coming up with Purdue and it's not Purdue. I'm gonna have to really, I'm not going in the deep freezer. I'm gonna have to really get my life together. And what's funny is I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna take that. So it's gonna be like it never was there. This is really good. And I'm just eating vegetarian stuff because beef is so heavy. I still eat chicken, but I only eat chicken and ground beef because I don't eat like steak and stuff. So, but when I eat like real beef, it's so heavy. So I just was like, I need burgers and stuff in my life. But even though I'm eating the cow, I don't want to feel like I'm eating the cow. Like I'm becoming it. But eating the ground beef. So I need a substitute. And I did do ground turkey. And I do like ground turkey. It's just ground turkey sometimes it's so dry. But I do have ground turkey in the deep freezer. It's just sometimes it's so dry and I just need a better taste. And this actually was better. So now I have the option of ground turkey and vegetarian. I might go straight for the vegetarian because it actually tastes better than ground turkey. So, thumbs up, guys. Don't look at my fingers. They gotta be done. Okay, guys. So we all done. That was good. Next video when I do a vegetarian mukbang, I will gladly not put the details in the description box because I don't know how to do that yet. I seen it so self-explanatory, but no. I'm just gonna show you and I'm just gonna tell you. Excuse me. So I'll catch you guys later. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And please be safe. Hashtag stay home. Bye.